Students, we are continuing human endocrine gland. Before the lesson, we are seeing what is endocrine gland and what are the different type of hormones secreted in a endocrine gland. So, before that we are seeing what is pituitary gland. What are the hormones secreted in pituitary gland? What is the function and disorders we are seeing in a pituitary gland. Now we are going to the second gland, that is called as a thyroid gland. So, this thyroid gland, where we see this thyroid gland is composed of two distinct lobes on the either side of trachea. In this, here you are seeing this is trachea. So trachea, below, above the thyroid cartilage is present. In this trachea, both lobes, two lobes are there. These two lobes are connected by a tissue. It is called as the isthmus. It is called as the isthmus. So in this two-lobed structure trachea, above the trachea, narrow band tissue is called known as a isthmus. This gland is composed of glandular follicles lined by cuboidal epithelial cells. So these follicles are filled with colloidal material. It is called as a thyroglobin. It is called as a thyroglobin. This is the structure of our thyroid. So above the thyroid trachea, the thyroid two-lobe thyroid gland is present. This is connected by a tissue. It is called as a isthmus. It is in this thyroid gland is made up of follicular cells lined by cuboidal epithelium. These follicles are filled with a colloidal material. It is called as a thyroglobin. So next we go to what hormone is secreted by thyroid gland. This thyroid gland having amino acid, two types of amino acid we are seeing in the hormone. One is the tyrosine, other one is the iodine. This involved to form a thyroid hormone. This thyroid gland having two type of hormone. One is T3, triiodothyronine. Another one is a T4, tetraiodothyronine or thyroxine. These two are we are seeing in this hormone, thyroid gland hormone, secreting hormone having amino acid, tyrosine and iodine, and two type of hormones we are seeing here, T3 and T4. So next we go to the thyroid gland functions. What are the functions we are seeing in a thyroid gland? What are the functions of thyroid hormones? It production of energy by maintaining the basal metabolic rate of the body. So the basal metabolic rate is otherwise called as BMR. So it helps to maintain our normal body temperature. Then influence the activity of central nervous system and control the growth of body and bone formation, essential for normal physical and mental and personality development, also done by with help of this hormone. It is also known as a personality hormone because it control our essential physical and mental and personality characters by this hormone. So it is otherwise called as a personality hormone. It regulates cell metabolism. So these are the function we are seeing in the thyroid with help of a thyroid hormone. So next we go to disinfection. That means what is a thyroid disinfection? So in this thyroid there are two type of disinfection we are seeing, that is the fails of function of thyroid gland. It is function of thyroid gland, we are the secretion of hormone normal level will be reduced, so it is called as a thyroid disinfection. There are two type of thyroid disinfection we are seeing. One is hypothyroidism, another one is a hyperthyroidism. So what is hypothyroidism? So hypothyroidism means it caused due to the decreasing secretion of a thyroid hormone. So it abnormal condition of disorders we are seeing here. One is a goiter, another one is a cretinism, another one is a myxoedemia. So hyposecretion, hypo means less amount of secretion of thyroid hormone causing three different disorders or disease. One is a goiter, another one is a cretinism, another one is a myxoedemia. So goiter. it is caused to inadequate supply of iodine in our diet. So in this commonly prevalent in a Himalayan region. So what is a nature character we have seen this type of peoples, affected peoples, the enlargement of thyroid gland and which produce as a marked swelling in a neck region is called goiter. So there are peoples having swelled neck region. So next we see the cretinism. So cretinism is also decreased secretion of thyroid hormone in children. So the children are stunt growth, mental defect, lack of skeletal development and deform of bones. These are the symptoms of cretinism children. So next we see that people are called as the cretinized people. So next we see the myxoedemia. So what is myxoedemia? So it is caused to deficiency of thyroid hormone in adult. Difference between cretinism and myxoedemia. Cretinism, it causes deficiency of hormone in a children, causing a disease called cretinism. Deficiency of hormone in adult, it causing a disease called myxoedemia. So they are mentally sluggish, increasing body weight, puffiness in the face and odometous appearance we are seeing in a myxoedemia people. Next we go to hyperthyroidism. The word itself indicate hyper means more excess secretion of hormone, more secretion of thyroid hormone. So this thyroid hormone is secreted more in our body, it causing one disease called as a Graves disease. Is called as a Graves disease. So the symptoms of these people are protrusion of eyeball, then exophthalmia, increasing metabolic rate, high body temperature, profuse sweating, loss of body weight and nervousness are seen in this hyperthyroidism people. So eyeball will be produced, that means eyeball will be coming outside. So these are the symptoms we are seeing in a Graves diseased people. So now the human endocrine gland, we are seeing two type of glands in this chapter. One is a pituitary gland, another one is a thyroid gland. So thyroid gland, where it's located in our tracheal region. In this trachea, above the trachea, the two lobed thyroid glands are presented. In between, their connected tissue is called as isthmus. So there are so many follicles are presented. These follicles are having a colloidal material that is called as a thyroglobin. This thyroglobin having two type of amino acids. One is tyrosine, another one is iodine, and also it having a this hormone secreted two types. One is a two forms. One is a T3, another one is a T4. T3 means triiodine thyrionine and T4 means tetraiodine thyrionine. So what is the function of thyroid gland we are seeing here? Then disinfection of thyroid, that means hypothyroidism and hyperthyroidism. Hypothyroidism causing three types of disease in a children. In a common it's goiter, and children it is cretinism. In adult it is myxoedemia. Then in hyperthyroidism causing one disease is called as a Graves disease. Thank you students. We see in next class adrenaline, reproductive gland, hormones and thymus. Thank you students.